Hi, this is Mandy from SunflowersAndDors. Welcome back to my channel. So today is exciting because today we get to do an unboxing from YourCreativeStudio. I am gonna just pop this out here so we can see exactly what we've got. I absolutely adore YourCreativeStudio. I've been very fortunate to be able to have some pieces sent to me to do unboxings, and others I have purchased directly. So, sorry, I'm just trying to get rid of that carton. So yeah, absolutely fantastic boxes. I adore them. This one says bacon my I want to say bacon my love lasagna. Baking, that's going to be an interesting one. So let's have a little look then. I try to always keep as much of this as I can, but I always end up wrecking it. So what you'll find with these boxes is some of the goodies are from YourCreativeStudio, others are from third parties, but there is always an absolutely incredible sorry, I'm just trying to think and do something at the same time, an incredible selection. So you will find something definitely that you like. So I'm going to put the YourCreativeStudio bits to one side, and we'll come back to those, and then we'll have a look at these other goodies. I absolutely love. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm not 100% sure. Let's have a little look, shall we? Oh! These are really cool. These are stickers, I think. Yeah. No, I think. Feels quite thick. I think they're stickers, but yes, they are stickers. But I have a love-hate relationship with stickers. And these are pastries. I'm not quite sure what that is. But croissants, pretzels. Ooh. Something on toast that looks really good. Breads, more breads. These, oh, those are those Cheerios, are they? Is that what you call them? These are really cool. So we are looking at a baking or foodie theme. Really like those. Very cool. And there are absolutely loads of them. There's still some more in there that I didn't get out. I would say probably there's going to be 20, 30, perhaps 30, perhaps even more than that in there. Oops, missed one. But they are really cool. This looks fab. This is Time Machine. Ah, wow, okay. Wow, this is really vintagey, retro-y. Fairy tales. These are gorgeous. Literally so many different choices. These are really cool. Yeah, loving those. I don't know why I'm popping them back in there, but it's the neatness freak in me that's doing that. And again, some more vintage goodies here. Oh, wow. did a cookbook once, and I can see another one in my near future. These are fantastic. Really, really lovely. Cool. See, absolutely fab. These are all the old vintage. Oh, these are vellums. These are fab. That one there. Very, very cool. And then these are all like, I think they're more like vellumy things, but these will be stickers as well. All your different foods. And some of those are quite extravagant. Some lovely sundaes. Yeah, these are really cool. Oh, look at that. I love all this retro stuff. Pink cake. Best type of cake, isn't it? Pink cake. Lots of icing or frosting. Yeah, these are lovely. There's just, look how many, there's absolutely loads and loads of them. Yeah, these are very, very cool. And they're the vintage, but definitely the retro feel to them. You can have a lot of fun with these. Gosh, there's loads and loads. I'm trying to see if it tells you how many. Not that I can see. But yeah, look at that one, it's a pussycat. I don't know if you can see that. He's laughing and eating something. They're fab. Gosh, it takes me back years and years. It's like one of the old adverts, isn't it? Women stay at home, looking after the house and preparing food for when the husband comes home. Gosh, things have definitely changed. But they are fantastic. Love those. I think I tried to keep them all in just to make sure they stay together. I've been having a right old sort out, and I'm trying to organise things, and some of those things are by theme. These are another set that aren't Your Creative Studio. These are fab. What does that say? Sweet scented. These are really pretty. And these are stickers as well. Oh, look at those. These aren't necessarily food related, but they've definitely got that vintage feel to them. That's lovely and thick as well. Yeah, these are fab. These will make beautiful little cluster pieces. And in my favourite colours, earthy colours. Yeah, they're absolutely fab. Love them. Pop those there, otherwise I will be here all night. Now, is this? Yes, this is one of the Your Creative Studio. Oh, I had some of these. I've suddenly discovered rub-ons, and I'm like a kid with a toy, and I absolutely love them. So these are a set of rub-ons. These are beautiful, and they go with a theme. Some little measuring spoons. Ah, look. Super cute. They are fab. I don't know if anybody's got any hints or tips with rub-ons, because I always do it, and I do it what I think is really, really well. And I always end up with bits that I've got to go over and over and over. So if you've got any tips on rub-ons, then please give me a shout. And I love using these backing pieces as well. They make absolutely fabulous journal cards. Little journal cards, big journal cards. These are rolling pins, little stickers. Yeah, and they're see-through as well. You can see that. Fab. Who doesn't love a see-through sticker? I'm really loving this theme. Some tissue papers. Oh, look, you can see with breads and rolling pin and a chef's hat and some wheat and a chopping board. You can actually see those, I think, better than I can with the lighting. Exciting, exciting, exciting. Now these, oh my goodness, they do these packs and they come in normal types of paper. And then they come, oh look at these are beautiful. And then they come in like textured papers, and then they come in vellums, so there's a whole host of these. These are, oh look at these are fabulous. I mean, you could use that with anything, couldn't you? It hasn't got to be a recipe or cooking journal. And now these, slightly thicker. And again here. So I think there's 4, 5, 6 different styles, I think. Oh, I love the colours as well. The colours are beautiful. Now these are thicker again. That is just stunning on that one. I think I'm really, really going to have some fun with these. Excuse me. And then these are the vellum ones, which I absolutely just adore. And they're really thick, sturdy, you know, they rip if you want to use them for collaging type things, but they're not really that brittle. So again, it's all the same patterns. Look at that, that's fantastic. All the same patterns, and they just do it in different versions of papers and vellums. That is beautiful. Loving those. And again, you know, this packaging does make fantastic tags, or a couple of different tags, I suppose. These awesome stickers. So they've started doing them in these little packs, which is fab, because they used to just come on their own, and now they've started doing them in these little packs. And these are absolutely, there's a little chef there trying to juggle some dishes, and then another chef there, another chef there, got a nice sign there, and then all your utensils. They are fantastic. They're really, really cool. Love those. And I love the way they're doing those now. Oh, and we've got a wooden stamp as well by the looks of it. Wow, that's a big one. Yeah. Ah, look, it's a little hand holding a dish. Don't know if you can see that without the light shining on it. Very cool. Very cool. And of course you can use these. I use all of these. Keep them. And then we've got some washi tape by the looks of it. Ah, fab. This is quite similar to the autumn one actually. So you could use that for autumn as well. That is really cool. I love the colours, they're very autumnal. And yeah, really love these colours. And then, last but not least, we have another wooden stamp. Gosh, we've been spoiled with stamps today. What's this one? Ah, looks like a piece of cake with a cherry on top. Gosh, I can't believe how many stamps there are in these ones. That's like a whole pack here, and then 2 really sturdy wooden stamps as well. So absolutely another just winner for me. As I said, I've been really fortunate to have a couple of the boxes sent to me. And whenever Amanda gets in touch, I always jump at the opportunity. But I do love them so much that I have actually bought, and I've actually gone and bought some back issues as well. And that's the great thing. You go on their website, which will be linked down below. If there's any of the boxes that perhaps older boxes that you couldn't get your hands on at the time, they do, as long as they're still in stock, you can buy them as a back order. They're a little bit more expensive than if you buy the subscription boxes, but they are literally well worth it. So definite thumbs up again from me. Thank you very much to Your Creative Studio. Again, all the details will be in the description box below. And yeah, definite box that I would recommend. So thank you again for the opportunity. I will leave it there and say to you as always, be well and stay safe, and I will catch you in the next video. Until then, bye for now.